Manuela Patti. She's a linguist, PhD at the university, candidate at the University of Birmingham, and teacher at the university in Cagliari. She also led a course here at NABA in film representation. Her field of research is Dantean realism and post-realism in Pasolini.
This is the topic of the course I taught at the NABA in last October. And of course, it's quite a big topic, so I'm going to limit, because of the limited time, I won't be able to show any film sections, which is somehow limiting because of they would illustrate much better the topic I'm going to discuss. And of course, I just want to outline the main key issues of this subject. We are dreaming. A dream is a quotation taken from Pasolini's Che cosa sono le nuvole, a short film which came out in 1967. And my first assumption is if we define the objective reality or the physical world around us, what we define as an objective reality or the physical world around us depends on the perception of our minds, which elaborate inside our brain a subjective vision of that objective word. So talking about representation, if we consider the boundary, the subtle boundary between reality and fiction, of course we have to consider as well the ontological question that comes together with this topic. Now, if we assume that as well subjective vision can be considered as a fictional illusion, then a question that comes straight after is reality an illusion of our mind? And if we consider that, of course, talking about representation of reality, we have to take in account the fact that reality can be considered itself as an illusion of our mind. Drawing on Jean Baudrillard, the illusion is the word effect itself. So in the material illusion, we consider reality as an illusion, as a concept of illusion, and it's such until we find out that that's just a concept. So it's a subjective perception. So if we take into account in this scenario post-reality, where representation has replaced life as a simulacrum, considering Baudrillard's statement, how has contemporary cinema challenged the paradox of the symbolic order of reality? This is the main question that I try to develop in the course. And of course, there were many different aspects to be considered, so from psychoanalysis to epistemology. And I can just outline here some aspects that I think they were particularly interesting in the course, and then leave open questions which were, of course, analyzed much more in details during the course. Now, this is the short movie by Pasolini, which is part of a longer movie, a collective production by many Italian directors. Capriccio Italiano was the title, and this is a short movie included in this collaborative production. This short movie is basically an adaptation of Shakespeare's Othello, and so it's already an adaptation, so representation of another work. In this quotation that you can see here, it's in Italian, but if you have a look at Iago's answer to Othello, we have the quote from where I started this exploration of the topic. We are a dream in a dream, considering exactly the representation of reality as something that should be questioned, and then when it comes to representing that, we have in a way a double representation. So this is exactly what Pasolini explores in this movie, and this is exactly the starting point of my paper as well here. Now, Pasolini is considering, so the metaphor of the dream in a dream, noi siamo in un sogno dentro un sogno, as the illusion of reality and its representation, drawing on Shakespeare's The Tempest, where such stuff as dreams are made on, and our little life is rounded with sleep, but also on Calderon de la Barca's La vida es sueño, where again the reality is considered as an illusion, as something that cannot be defined as an objective entity.